over to them. I'm gonna go over here. Okay. There's enough for the soup. Potatoes. Got it? Whoa. That's the big one. In my bag.
Oh, nice. Okay. You got chicken foot going in there too.
Yes. So welcome family to Shirley's Kitchen. Today I'm making red pea soup. My favorite soup also. So here I have some smoked turkey. I'm using poultry. Smoked turkey, neck and wings chopped, and also the drum, you call the leg, so I could get a lot of meat from there, all chopped up, and some chicken foot. And so that's it. We're gonna be doing dumplings, which I gotta make those. And here's what I'm using here: just some potatoes and cocoa, Jamaican cocoa. Those are some vegetables, celery and cilantro. And guess what, family? I went out in my garden, and here we go with some fresh, oh my God, sweet potatoes. What a blessing. God is good. All from the garden, fresh sweet potatoes. I gotta wash those. I'm not gonna use all of them, but most of it is going in the soup today. So stay with me, family, and you'll see how I do this red pea soup today with my sweet potatoes. Boiling for
What kind
about
of
a half
peas?
an hour. Red peas, kidney beans.
Okay.
Red kidney beans. And so I already washed the chicken foot, and I poured a little Lorry's on too. I'm gonna add that in. Okay.
Okay.
Here I'm gonna just call out my smoked meats there. Water is poured in. And pour it all in. Just to scald it off, not cook. Put everything in here. Okay. This is all smoked turkey wings and turkey leg cut up.
Nice.
And some neck bones. Okay? So I'm just calling that maybe about 5 minutes. Let it come to a boil again. We'll throw the water off. I'll see you when I'm preparing the vegetables. I'm going to wash these potatoes.
Wash and peel.
Yeah, they look so pretty. Look at this. Straight from the garden, family. Wow. God always provides. I'm going to use the small ones first. Alright. I'm going to put all these potato skin that I'm peeling back into the garden.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm going to replenish the earth.
That's the way.
That's what God says.
Yes. Great stuff.
These will be composed.
So,
Alright, family, so when I'm finished all of this, I'll show you what's next.
alright, so the smoked turkey wing is scalded.
Drained. Oh.
So what's the purpose of that? Is that just like pre-cooking the turkey wings?
No, it's smoked, so it's partially cooked back. Have a lot of, stuff that I don't want to see. Those little things that on the meat, you just scald it off, and also for the flavor to pop up, you get rid of that
Rawness?
Yeah. So I'm gonna just rinse. It's just a process that I do every time when I cook poultry or even meat. I always scald it off. Okay, I'm gonna pour this into this pot. And I try to boil some water because my water went down low. The peas. I'm gonna add water here. That's enough. Yeah. The chicken foot still not.
So you added chicken foot.
Yeah, that was the first thing. So I'm gonna pour this in. In. Just gonna add this in garlic and thyme. I added some before, but that's it. Right now. I'll come back to add the vegetables. I'm gonna add my little spinners. I made this dumpling with cornmeal and all-purpose flour. A little pinch of salt in it. I'm doing the spinners today. And then I'm going to go ahead and add my carrots first. Those potatoes are going to be very soft, so I don't want them to break up. So I'm going to put those in last. Adding in my carrots. These will take a longer time to cook, so. Pour in this little bit of cup soup. No. Just gives it some more flavor. Give some body to the soup also. That's it. Let me pop some of these there, and I'm gonna cover that up until it's time for my potatoes and the rest of my and the cocoa. I didn't cut it up because I want it whole so it won't get broken up in the pot. I want to be able to see it when I'm done. So family, I went ahead and removed my chicken foot because it was tender. I'm going to add that later back to the pot. In the meantime, I'm going to throw in all these lovely seasonings so that will cook in. That's my chopped onions. Cilantro is last. And my celery, of course. And some scallions. I'll leave the rest of the scallions for last. Those will go in later. And I'm also going to pour in my coconut milk. I'm just going to use,
milk.
Yeah, that's for flavor because we don't have any beef fats in here, so.
Okay, that adds to the savoriness.
Yeah, really nice.
Soup looks very colorful.
Okay, that should be enough. That's the whole thing. It's a big pot, so that's the whole cup.
That smells amazing.
Yes, cameraman. We can't wait to dig into this one, right?
Absolutely.
Right here. All right, so I'm gonna leave that to boil, and I'm gonna add my rest of my seasoning and my chicken foot when that's ready. Alrighty. I think I could add some seasoned salt and black pepper. So far I didn't taste it, and I believe it needs salt, so let me see what's going on here. Really good. And some black pepper. Turn that in. I'm gonna now return all the chicken foot in. Okay, so that could just stay there and do its thing, and
It's almost finished.
yeah, just want that seasoning to
Okay, looks good. Looks good.
mix in there. So family, the soup is done, and I'm going to plate up for you. Also, if you're new here to this channel, to Shirley's Kitchen, feel free to subscribe. And if you made it this far to the video, hit the thumbs up. Thank you. We gotta get this out. That's what this was for, right? So you can really see. So family, here is that sweet potato from the garden.
Fresh from Shirley's garden.
Yeah, that's the true gift from the Almighty.
How much would that have cost you in the store for that same sweet potato?
Actually, I saw it for $2.49 or $2.59, whatever, and I used about 3 pounds, so I saved like almost $10.
Nice.
$9-10, yeah.
Yeah, cool.
So that's the blessing from Shirley's Kitchen to the plate. Shirley's garden to the plate. Enjoy this soup, family. It's meatless, I should say. Just
turkey.
No pork, actually. Pork free. Okay, so that's your option. You want to make red pea soup. It tastes good. It looks good. Try it. All from smoked turkey. The chicken foot is optional. You don't have to do that. But I just use turkey wings chopped, and I also use the skin, you know, because I wanted that texture from meat that you get from your pork or your beef.
Okay.
Let me find another.
Whose bowl is that?
From the garden. Oh my God, there's a big one. I didn't want to cut it because I want to be able to feature this potato.
That food.
Sweet potato.